So how do you make a collage in a Snapseed on your device? Let me explain it. And if it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. And so Snapseed is not your typical collage maker and like photo editor in general. And there are some very interesting features. So let me get inside and explore it. Right, and if you just come back to the main section, this is what it would look like. You can jump back into existing projects or start something brand new. So I'm gonna just click on add a photo like that. And if I have an image like the first one, like so, I can add it to the editing page. And then now the collage isn't made, as I said, the regular way where you like split the image in parts and you put one image here and there. But if you want to blend more images together, you use the double exposure. So inside in here, when you go to the tools and swipe up, you should be able to see the double exposure in there. So you can tap on it as such, and you can now add another picture, which is supposed to blend in with the other one. So it kind of depends on what it is, right? There are different types of images I have stored, but let me just import this camera, for example. And you can see that it does blend in. I can kind of like adjust how visible it is, and also different blend modes to combine it in a different way. But as you can tell, it does allow me to make things a little bit more interesting with it. Right, so I can, for example, combine images like that. So I have like a camera in the background image, and together it looks pretty nice. So that's the way you can do it in a Snapseed. As I said, we don't have the actual collage. Like, there are different apps for that particular thing, but that's what I wanted to explain. Let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.